It's a beautiful day. It's a Tuesday. We got a customer that's picking up a gutter machine. Another gutter machine. We sell a lot of gutter machines all over the place. Idaho, Spokane. You guys need to get to work. They're just standing around. We are going to work. So anyway, there's the machine right there for another happy customer. Let's set it over here someplace. Yep. I ordered it with the riser pads, but we're not gonna need those. They're gonna put it inside the van, so 1,300 pounds, I believe, for that one. That's a 5.6 combo junior with the guillotines. And check this out. This one has a mini crate and a full-size crate, so you know the difference. This one's got the handle hidden right here, and it's 9-foot machine. So all right, if you need a gutter machine, give me a call, 503-939-3092, and we'll get you taken care of if you have any questions on the gutter machine. Half round, fascia, whatever. Take care, God bless.